InfoPond. Cell phone applications. The issue. In our day-to-day lives, we are presented with an ever-increasing number of applications for use on our mobile phone. In the cultural sector, galleries, museums, heritage societies and tourism operators each create their own data warehouse accessed by their own cell phone application. Users are expected to download a different application for each venue. Are these examples fragmented islands of data and use, each requiring a different application, the way of the future? We think not. The solution: morphing applications. We believe an app should morph from one look and feel to another, providing differing information and functionality as determined by the user's requirements at that time. The app, defined by multiple inputs in the cloud and sensors in the phone, shall provide information aggregated from multiple sources and morph appropriate to the user's location, activity, and importantly, their language. In this paradigm, the user shall require perhaps one application: InfoPond. We have that application. InfoPond. What is it? InfoPond, a cell phone application which can automatically determine a user's location, whether outdoors or within a participating venue, badge its look and feel appropriate to user location, display and audibly read relevant information based upon user location and language selected by each user. InfoPond is served information by an extensible cloud-based information repository, InfoCloud. InfoCloud. What is it? InfoCloud scales to service a nation of thousands of concurrent users. InfoCloud also acts as a gateway to third-party information silos such as those created by heritage societies. This enables InfoPond users to seamlessly and automatically access data sourced from multiple information providers. InfoCloud can provide value-adding services such as quizzes, visitor surveys, and subscription services. Pertinent value-adding services shall, post-launch, be available to cultural venues. Refer future services. Pedia and map content providers. The issue. Information providers such as Wikipedia and Google Maps provide a great service, but there exists a few issues with their content. Anyone can author and publish content. Anyone can change content. Content may appear to be factual, but may be the biased opinion of an individual and be inaccurate. Links are known to be published, which, if clicked, take the reader to a deviant website. Where an authority has authored text and made a valuable contribution, anyone can change it. Content, the solution. Aggregate qualified information providers via InfoCloud's cloud-based information repository. Members of recognized organizations shall be authorized to create or upload content from their existing libraries. Individuals, recognized as authorities in their field, shall be authorized to create and upload content. General public shall not be authorized to create or modify content. Where InfoCloud contains no content on a matter, then content from Wikipedia et al. May appear. However, the unqualified source will be clearly identified to the user. Advantages to info providers and users. One app, multiple info providers, larger audience base. By aggregating information silos, InfoPond can expose content held by disparate cultural, heritage and tourism organizations to a larger and broader audience. Ease of access. Content is publicly, freely and easily accessed via cell phone app as well as desktop computer. Content is location aware and can autoplay on cell phone app as user approaches a location such as a cultural site or heritage building. Maximize target user base. To maximize user base, all content available via InfoPond and InfoCloud shall be auto-translated and available in a minimum of 13 languages. Accessibility. Impairment is not a restriction. Visually impaired users shall not be disadvantaged. Text content shall be capable of being audibly read aloud to visually impaired users. Target cultural sectors. InfoPond and InfoCloud services target the following sectors: heritage locations, museums, galleries, cultural regions, aspects of tourism. InfoPond. For further details, continue viewing. Post-launch value-adding services. Value-adding services. Cross-promotion. Grow visitation through cross-promotion. Customer surveys. Venues capture survey responses. Subscription services. Venues capture visitor subscriptions. Venue sponsorship. Promote future exhibitions and sponsors. Educational services. Quiz qualifies students' visit to venue. Cross-promotion. Cross-promotion functionality may be utilized to promote selected venues within the vicinity of user. Museum A can select to utilize cross-promo functionality to promote to their visitors the benefits of nearby Gallery B. There is no revenue erosion, as visitors to Museum A are not shown promo for B until within Museum A. In return, nearby Gallery B may agree to utilize the cross-promo function at their venue to promote to their visitors the benefits of nearby Museum A. Cross-promotion, a low-cost path to significant visitation growth. Win-win scenario for venues A, B, and visitors. Customer surveys. InfoPond enables venues to create multiple visitor surveys and then selectively present these to their visitors. Surveys are a valuable tool which may be utilized by venues to better understand the effectiveness of an advertisement campaign, visitation trends, and customer spending habits. For example, did a customer hear of a venue through social media? Did a customer see venue's media ad? What is the age group of each visitor? Are visitors local, interstate, or international tourists? Participating venues can log into InfoCloud to review and download survey responses for their venue. Subscription services. Visitors can optionally be automatically prompted by InfoPond to subscribe to current venue's mailing list. InfoPond subscription services enable venues to capture name and email data of visitors to their venue. Relevant input fields such as name and email address are displayed to each user. Data entered by each user is securely temporarily stored in the venue's partition of InfoCloud. Each participating venue is provided with a secure partition on InfoCloud where they can log in to review and download subscriber details to their venue. Venue sponsorship. InfoPond optionally supports on-screen venue-sponsored promotion. Display is optional and configurable by each venue. Sponsor's message is an unobtrusive static image. Venue may utilize this function to promote their own services and forthcoming events. Educational services. InfoPond enables cultural venues to create multiple choice quizzes pertaining to exhibitions and provide these quizzes to school groups. Multiple quizzes can be created targeting differing age groups. Students register their details using InfoPond when at the venue. InfoPond can display a specific floor plan to the student depicting the location of artifacts covered by the quiz. At tour's end, InfoPond presents student with the on-screen multiple choice quiz, whereby student selects their answers. Class results are automatically collated by InfoCloud and emailed to the authorized teacher. Zero-touch InfoCloud services means there is no recurring burden on venue staff to operate InfoCloud educational services. InfoPond. For more inspiration, contact us.